Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Fortnite error code esp-dist-001. First of all, close Fortnite and restart your device. This can resolve mirror connection or system errors. After that, ensure your Fortnite game and the Epic Games launcher are fully updated. An outdated version could cause this error. In the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click on the three dot next to Fortnite and select Verify to repair any corrupted files. After that, go to your PC settings, then click Network and Internet. Check your network connection. Try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. And that's it. These steps should help fix the esp-dist-001 error in Fortnite. Thanks for watching.